Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Best online learning experience only at Stella Online Courses. Call us now.
मडगावचो ज्वेलर स्वप्नील वाळकेचे खुनाचे केशीत चौथो पाचवो आरोपी अजून पुलिसांक सापडूना. मुखेल आरोपी मुस्तफा शेख, ताचो साथीदार ओमकार पाटील आणि एडसन गोन्साल्विसाक 10 दिसांची पुलीस कस्टडी दिल्या. स्वप्नील वाळकेन तोपिल्लो सुरो पुलिसांनी जप्त केलो. मुस्तफान खुनाचे सुवातीकडच्यान पळून वतना लागींच आशिल्ल्या झाडांनी सुरो शेवटून मारिल्लो. ताका बरोबर व्हरून ते सुवातीवेल्यान सुरो पुलिसांनी ताब्यांत घेतलो. आरोपीतल्या एकल्यान लॉकडावना पयलीं बिहारांतल्यान गांवठी पिस्तूल कारतुशी हाडिल्ली. ती ताणें ह्याच टार्गेटा खातीर हाडिल्ली काय ताचोय सोद चल्ला. खून जाल्लो ते दिसा पुलिसांक सुऱ्याचे कवर, पिस्तूल, कारतुशी मेळिल्ल्यो. आनीक कितें सापडटा काय म्हूण तेवूय पळयतात. फॉरेन्सिक टीम खून जाल्ले सुवातेवेल्यान पुरावे एकठांय करता. ओमकार पाटील आणि एडसन गोन्साल्विसाक क्रायम ब्रांचीन धरिल्ले, जाल्यार एन्काउंटराच्या भंयान मुस्तफा मडगांव पुलिशेक शरण आयिल्लो. तांच्या आनीक दोग साथीदारांचो सोद मात अजून चालू. चौथो पाचवो आरोपी मेळत जाल्यार खुना फाटले कुवाडे धागेदोरे जुळून पुराय सुटपाक शकता म्हूण तपास पथकाक दिसता. आरोपी भांगर चोरपाक न्ही जाल्यार स्वप्नील वाळकेची सुपारी घेवन मारपाकूच आयिल्ले ह्या निष्कर्शा मेरेन सध्या पुलीस पावतात. उरिल्ले आरोपी मेळे काय एकंदर गेम प्लानाचे धागेदोरे क्लियर.
I have talked to 2-3 police officers who are actively involved in the investigation, and after talking to them, this hint I have got that the robbery may not be primary reason. The robbery may be involved there to show that the attempt was to rob that jewelry shop, but I'm getting the hint that there was some other motive, and there may be that the motive of the attackers were to kill Swapnil. One of the officer told me just now that I asked him that what may be the motive, because initially when 2 accused were arrested, the officer told me that robbery was the primary reason which went wrong. But today when I talk to more than 3-4 officers who are actively involved, 4th accused is still absconding, and there may be involvement of 5th accused also. So crime branch is actively helping the Margaon police, and other police stations are also helping Margaon police, because the accused are hiding here and there. They said that motive may be, as you rightly use the word sinister, they were saying that we should wait right now, because let the 4th accused be caught, and then only SP South Goa or Margaon police head will disclose everything. And most thing is that the 4th accused, hunt for the 4th accused is going extensively. I have seen who may be the contact of 4th accused are being interrogated, questioned, and the team are in the field in search of the 4th accused offender. So extensive investigation and hunt for 4th accused is going on.
इतले मजगती प्रुडंटाच्या हाताक एक्सक्लुझिव्ह व्हिडिओ लागला. तातूंत एक आरोपी रेनकोट घालून डिओ वेल्यान मडगांवच्या एका कॉम्प्लेक्साच्या वाठारांत वता आनी थंयच्यान भायर सरतना रेनकोट काडिल्लो दिसता. तो थंय कित्याक गेल्लो, थंयच्यान ताणें हत्यार घेतला काय म्हूण प्रश्न. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.